Hello everyone, welcome back. So in our previous video, we have talked about how we can retrieve the package using Apache Ant, and we have also talked about how we can deploy the same package using Apache Ant command. Here in this video, what we are going to do is we are going to talk about how we can retrieve the chain set and how we can deploy the chain set. So there might be a question why we need to do that, because we can already deploy the chain set from one org to another connected org. So suppose that you have a use case where you have some data that you have or some metadata that you have developed inside one Salesforce sandbox environment, and now you wanted to deploy that metadata to another Salesforce environment which is not connected with each other. So in that case, how you will do that? So here we are going to take help from Apache. We are going to develop some targets. We are going to develop the target for chainset retrieve, and we are going to develop the target for chainset deployment so that we can easily deploy it. But for the demo purpose, we are definitely going to take sandbox and production environment. So let's quickly see how we can do that. So here, this is our Salesforce environment where I have created a chainset called chainset demo, and it is having four classes that we have developed. So now what we are going to do is we are going to prepare the chain set here, not chain set. We are going to prepare the target basically in the build.xml file. As we know that for every single target we wanted to execute using Apache Ant, we must need to develop the target. So I have developed the target over here, just copy pasted from the top above one. The name is retrieve chain set. I have created a directory called chain set folder. Then we have given username, password, server URL, max pol. Retrieve target is again genset folder, and here you can see package names. So this time, instead of giving the package names, we are going to give the genset name. The attribute is same, but the value can be either a package or can be either a genset. So let's quickly retrieve this, and then we will build the command for deployment. So this is our basically the command prompt where we left in our previous video. What we'll do is we'll say ant retrieve chainset. Before we do that, you can see here there is no folder called chainset folder. As soon as we will execute that command, we'll see the folder is available over here. So let's quickly execute here. So you can see the folder chainset folder has been created on the top directory, and it is retrieved. The changes, whatever the components are there, has been automatically retrieved. If you go here, you see that these are all the classes, the four classes that we had, and then the XML documents for those classes. All those classes are here. Now let's quickly see how we can deploy that. So what we'll do is the deploy package, copy that here, and then we'll paste it over here. What we will give the name as, instead of retrieve, we will say that deploy, and the folder that we have given, we need to give here for the deploy route is, we'll say that the folder is genset folder. Okay, so we will give the name of our folder genset folder, and this time I'll say that check only is false. That means directly deploy the changes to our Salesforce environment. We will again get back to our command prompt, hit the command and the name of our target. It will start deploying the components to our Salesforce environment. If we wanted to test it, we will go to our Salesforce environment, into our production org, and we'll go to deployment status. Basically, this is the place where we can check all the deployment status. Here you can see here, this is the second one, which is saying that 11:24 p.m. If we see view details, we will be able to see all the components which are there in the basically in our genset package XML. You can see there were total 4 components, and there were 2 test classes which took places, and our components were deployed successfully. So that's how you can deploy the like you can retrieve the genset, and then you can deploy the genset. In the next video, we will see how we can deploy the profiles, permission set, and some other components using our Apache Ant. So we'll see you into the next video. Thank you for your time.